What's going on, trading world? Welcome back to another withdrawal video, and in this video we're doing another 10k my forex fund challenge giveaway. Yes, that's right, we're doing another giveaway. A lot of people have been hitting me up to do a giveaway. I've been doing a bunch on my Discord, but I thought I'd do one for YouTube and you guys. Also in this video I'm going to show you guys a withdrawal that I did for my forex fund. So I said whenever I'd get a withdrawal I would do a challenge giveaway, so I'm going to do one here. And I also want to show you guys a challenge that I passed, and we made some amazing changes to the LP trading program. We've got a brand new website, and I added a whole new funding series and a bunch of changes to the course. So if you've ever thought about joining, use the link in the description. For the first 10 people are going to get a major discount. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the challenges, the withdrawal, the new website, all that stuff, and also stick around to see how you can enter that 10k challenge giveaway. Before we do any of that stuff, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, just hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. And with that being said, let's just jump into my computer. I'm gonna show you guys the new website, the new updates, you know, the withdrawal that I just did with my forex funds, and how you can enter. All right, we are in my computer, and so a couple of things I'm going to show you guys: the update to the website, a challenge that I passed, a withdrawal that I just did, and yeah, let's get started, man. One of the videos I made a long time ago was about like this course that I launched, whatever. And my goal was like, yo, I wanted to get like 10 people funded, right? First I taught it to some of my friends, 2-3 of them got funded. And the goal was really this year to just get 10 people funded. So now I just updated the program, updated the website, and yeah, the cool thing is that we put some of the certificates up for some of the students. Some people got max allocation. You know, whoever sent me their certificate, I put it up. But there's a lot of other funded traders in our community now, and some people hitting some major withdrawals. We have one person that just smashed the FTMO leadership board. So quickly, just wanted to show you guys the new sort of updated website here, where you can get some more information. I'm gonna leave some. I'm gonna leave a code in the description below for the first 10 people. If you were ever thinking about joining, this would be a perfect time to do it, because I just updated everything, added a whole new funding series with a risk plan for challenge phase 1, challenge phase 2, how to actually trade the live account, and all that stuff. So yeah, little update on the website. It looks amazing. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. And yeah, I'm also gonna tell you how to enter that challenge giveaway. Real simple, just the way we do it every time. Yeah, other than that, I did get a payout for my forex funds in April, earlier in April. You know, it was for $6,500. For me, Canadian, that's about 8,400 bucks, roughly around that. So this is the first. I've used Deal before with Funding Talent, but this time when I emailed my forex funds to get a payout, they said that their wallet was down or something. So you know, I just chose to go with using Deal. This is the second time I used it. It's pretty quick. It's pretty cool. It's pretty good. I still did the crypto instead of the Wise transfer, but yeah, Deal, it's a good payment system. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Got this one, and I have another account that's at 8%. So I pretty much stopped trading at 8%. If I hit 8%, I'm done. You know, I'm just gonna take the payout. This is what my average payout is starting to look like. It's nothing crazy. It's nothing like I was doing last year where I was hitting major payouts. And it's because I don't trade all my accounts at the same time now. I just trade one, hit 8%, then I start trading the other one. Like this, there's one that I just hit 8% in a week. So I'm gonna just stop trading that and move on to the other account. So that's what I'm kind of switching it around a little bit. Less pressure on me, but at least my withdrawals are now consistent. You know what I mean? They were consistent last year too, but you know, I'm just trying to focus a bit more on my personal account, and just take these little payouts and throw them in there. Oh yeah, just wanted to show that, just show some consistency there. I did pretty much, you know, I cashed out all my FTMO accounts last year, and then slowly I started, you know, losing them one by one. I just did a challenge for FTMO right here, and I just passed yesterday. It shows that I traded 13 trading days, but really I started on April 6th and it's the 28th, so I used a lot of days to get, you know, past this challenge. Because obviously, like, these challenges aren't easy, but yeah, you gotta use all the days. Majority of the people that fail these challenges, like, they blow the account within a week. So I know not to do that. I kept getting to like 9% and then dropping down to 5%. Just had to get my emotions in control and just wait for like the setup that I love, right? I just waited for that setup last night and just smashed it. I saw it last night. I placed the trade, went to sleep, woke up, it was done. Game over. Average RR 3.22, win rate 31.
whatever. All good. What else was I gonna show you guys? Okay, so I think that's it. So the updated website link is in the description below. Go check it out. Use the code for the first time people can use it to get $50 off. Now, if you want to enter the giveaway that we always do, my Forex funds, all you got to do is go on to, basically when you're watching this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and leave a comment. You need to leave a comment. The reason you need to leave a comment is because when I actually pick the winner, it's through a YouTube random comment generator thing. So we did a live giveaway here in this video. So you need to and you also need to follow me on Instagram. That's the only way you're gonna find out if you won or not, because you're gonna have to go and watch one of these videos where I do the live giveaway and then message me, DM me on Instagram. Make sure you don't DM the wrong person. There's a bunch of fake profiles. This is the only one I have right now. It's trading_1_LP, and the best way to find it is it's on my website. So this is the only real link that you can find on it. So leave a comment on the video, hit the like button, man, and I'll probably do the giveaway next week when I'm in Dubai. Right now it's Thursday, April 28th. I'll probably do it like next week. I don't know, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, let's do it Wednesday. Next week, Wednesday, I'll do it live on Instagram. But with that being said, yeah, man, have a great trading week, everybody.